Hello everyone. Today, I'll present to you Yutong's brand new luxury coach, developed for international markets. Your operating revenue is sure to hit a new milestone with its impressive improvements in design, driving experience, fuel efficiency, ease of maintenance, safety, and reliability. The beautifully simple bus carries forward the design DNA of Yutong. Streamlined double windshields add to its aerodynamic shape. Uniquely designed sleek headlight and LED turn signals provide passenger vehicle class experience. Bus interior is upgraded for greater ride comfort in different scenarios, such as long-distance bus service and bus tours. Ergonomic seats make each trip comfortable and pleasant. The smart integrated dashboard is even easier to use than previous models. Sedan-class central control screen integrates audio-video player, backup monitor, Bluetooth adapter, phone connection, driver assistant, and other functions. The multi-purpose steering wheel is integrated with audio-video players and the instrument cluster menu. Passenger vehicle-like short shifter mounted on the dashboard handles better and frees up driver compartment space to make entry and exit easier. Upgraded exterior and interior offer 3 highlights to help you cut costs, improve efficiency, reduce energy, and create value. The modular platform and lightweight structure reduce bus weight. New technologies, such as the Blue Core fuel efficiency system, the engine thermal management system, and air conditioner compressor smart stop system, reduces fuel consumption by 5% to 8% to create more value. Also, the bus is easier to maintain, with flippable front panel and electrical box. The all-in-one detector quickly examines fault points in each brake pipe. The front axle wheel rim provides non-disassembly maintenance, which effectively saves maintenance costs, reduces maintenance time, thereby cutting operation costs. In addition to the safe and worry-free whole-body electrocoating process, the bus is the first in the industry to ensure safety with the innovative structure for head-on collisions, which draws on crash energy management principles and structural optimization technologies to transform the equal stiffness concept of traditional bus design. This new modular series provides different models and trim packages to cater to your operational scenarios. The 12-meter luxury coach ZK6128H is designed for road transport with upsized luggage compartment and seating capacity to generate more profits. ZK6117H, star product of the 7 Series, is designed for short to middle distance bus tours. Its fancy look, ultra-large luggage compartment, rabbit ear reversing mirror, providing greater peripheral view, eco-friendly interior, and excellent noise control performance are sure to make your trips more enjoyable. ZK6907H, the middle-sized model of the series, with a focus on ride comfort, is developed for short-distance bus tours. Yutong's brand new modular luxury coach, featuring great safety, reliability, seating capacity, fuel efficiency, and ease of use, is a cost-saving, efficiency-improving choice for you and a better travel option for all.